Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about a mistake many people make when dealing with dead cordless drill batteries, jump-starting them. You might have seen people say, just connect it to another battery for a few seconds and it'll work again. But this can actually damage your battery. Let's find out why. When a cordless drill battery won't charge, many assume it's just too low in voltage and try to wake it up by briefly connecting it to another fully charged battery. The idea is that a quick jolt of energy will bring it back to life. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. A fully charged battery has a higher voltage and will immediately send a huge current into the dead battery. This can overheat the cells and cause damage, melt internal connections if the current is too high, cause internal short circuits and even fires in worst-case scenarios. So what should you do instead? Disassemble your battery and check the voltage of each cell group. If one group is below 3 volts, you should use a dedicated lithium charger, which costs just a few bucks. Charge each group individually to 100%, and your battery should work normally again. However, if any cells show 0 volts, they are likely dead and need replacement. This is exactly why jump-starting batteries is dangerous. If one group of cells is dead, connecting a good battery in parallel forces an uneven charge. For example, trying to charge a 4 series battery with a 5 series one. This creates an overcharging situation, which can cause a fire if left unattended. Always use the right method to revive your battery safely.